Enhancing the Ram TRX's formidable performance requires precision and quality upgrades. From advanced suspension systems to tuned exhausts and potent engine modifications, selecting the best performance upgrades can redefine its capabilities. These enhancements not only elevate its power output, but also optimize handling and responsiveness, ensuring every drive is a thrilling experience. Discovering the ideal upgrades tailored to the TRX's dynamics promises to unleash its full potential on and off the road. At number 5 is the PowerStop K8182-36 front and rear toe brake kit. The PowerStop K8182-36 front and rear Z36 truck and tow brake kit is an exceptional upgrade for the 2019 to 2023 Ram 1500, designed to meet the rigorous demands of towing, hauling, and off-road driving. This kit features proprietary carbon fiber ceramic brake pads that enhance the strength of traditional ceramic compounds, ensuring they can handle heavier loads with ease. One of the standout features is the low-dust braking performance, validated by third-party tests in Los Angeles, which show a 30% reduction in dust compared to original equipment brakes, keeping your wheels cleaner for longer. The drilled and slotted rotors are engineered for maximum cooling, reducing brake temperatures during extreme conditions. This design not only enhances performance, but also extends the lifespan of the braking components. The kit includes stainless steel installation hardware and high-temperature ceramic brake lubricant, ensuring a straightforward installation process and reliable performance. In terms of stopping power, the carbon fiber ceramic pads provide durable, severe-duty braking for trucks and SUVs, making them ideal for both everyday driving and demanding tasks. The noise-free operation is achieved through stainless steel shims combined with a chamfered and slotted design, ensuring a quiet and smooth braking experience. At number 4 is the MagnaFlow Performance Exhaust System. The MagnaFlow Performance Exhaust System 15160 is an exemplary upgrade for the 2007 to 2017 Jeep Wrangler and the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. This axleback, Street Series exhaust system is designed to deliver the iconic MagnaFlow sound, characterized by a resonant, throaty tone that enhances both interior and exterior sound levels, providing an engaging driving experience. Extensive dyno testing ensures that this exhaust system not only improves the flow dynamics and evacuation of exhaust gases, but also boosts engine power and performance. Constructed from durable, corrosion-resistant stainless steel, the exhaust system features precision robotic manufacturing techniques, ensuring reliable performance throughout the vehicle's lifespan. The system's black-coated finish adds a sleek, aesthetic touch while also offering additional protection against the elements. MagnaFlow's commitment to quality is further evidenced by the inclusion of a limited lifetime construction warranty and a 1-year warranty on the black-coated finish, providing peace of mind for the user. One of the standout features of the MagnaFlow 15160 is its perfect fitment, achieved through extensive 3D scanning during development. This ensures an OEM-like fitment, making installation straightforward and hassle-free with all necessary hardware included for a do-it-yourself setup. The Street Series design of this exhaust system strikes a balance between enhancing the vehicle's power and exterior sound without compromising comfortable interior noise levels. The fast-flowing mandrel-bent pipes and straight-through mufflers reduce exhaust restriction, enabling that signature MagnaFlow performance tone without attracting unwanted attention. At number 3 is the Supreme Suspension's 3-inch front leveling kit. The Supreme Suspension's 3-inch front leveling kit is a high-quality upgrade designed for 1994 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500, 1994 to 2011 Dodge Ram 2500, and 1994 to 2011 Dodge Ram 3500 2WD models. This kit is specifically engineered to enhance the look of your vehicle and improve ground clearance, allowing for the installation of larger custom rims and tires. Constructed from T6 aircraft-grade billet aluminum, these coil spring lift spacers offer extreme compression resistance while remaining lightweight and corrosion-resistant, making them ideal for off-road conditions. One of the key features of this leveling kit is its bolt-on installation process, which can be completed in 1 to 2 hours without the need for special tools. However, it is recommended to perform an alignment after installation to ensure optimal vehicle performance. The kit's precision CNC machining ensures a perfect fit and reliable performance, backed by a limited lifetime warranty for added peace of mind. The technical notes highlight that the spacer thickness does not equate to a 1-to-1 lift-height ratio, so measuring your vehicle's ride height before and after installation is advisable to confirm the full lift amount. Additionally, the kit is not compatible with extended cab, mega cab, Rebel, or TRX models, nor with 2013 plus Ram 1500 models equipped with active level 4-corner air suspension. An added bonus with every purchase is the Supreme Mystery Box, which includes a premium branded item such as a microfiber towel, can cooler, valve stem caps, or a t-shirt, adding extra value to your investment. At number 2 is the Pedal Commander for Ram 1500. The Pedal Commander throttle response controller is a highly recommended upgrade for 2019 to 2024 Ram 1500 new body style owners, including models like Tradesman, Bighorn, Rebel, and Laramie. This device is designed to enhance driving performance by eliminating throttle lag, providing a more responsive and exhilarating driving experience both on and off-road. It offers 4 primary modes: Eco, City, Sport, and Sport Plus, each with 9 additional settings, allowing for precise customization to suit various driving conditions and preferences. One of the standout features of the Pedal Commander is its Eco mode, which significantly slows throttle response to improve fuel efficiency, making it ideal for daily commutes and long drives. The device is easy to install, taking just about 10 minutes with a plug-and-play setup that requires no special tools. Additionally, it can be controlled via a free app, adding convenience to its functionality. The Pedal Commander is also designed to be warranty safe, meaning it does not leave any trace on the ECU and will not void your vehicle's warranty. This makes it a risk-free investment for those looking to improve their vehicle's performance without any long-term repercussions. Users have praised the Pedal Commander for its ability to make the vehicle feel more responsive, likening the improvement to removing a significant delay in throttle input. This enhancement is particularly noticeable in diesel applications and for those transitioning from high-performance vehicles, where throttle response is crucial. At number 1 is the K&N Cold Air Intake Kit. The K&N Cold Air Intake Kit for 2009 to 2021 Dodge/Ram 1500, 2500, 3500, and 1500 Classic with a 5.7L V8 engine is a top-tier performance upgrade that promises significant enhancements in horsepower and torque. This intake system is engineered to provide a less restrictive airflow path, resulting in an estimated increase of up to 16 horsepower and 17.54 feet-pounds of torque. This boost is particularly beneficial for drivers seeking improved acceleration and towing power, making it an ideal addition for those who frequently haul heavy loads or drive in demanding conditions. One of the standout features of this K&N intake kit is its ability to transform the engine's sound profile. Upon acceleration, the engine emits a powerful growl, yet it remains quiet at cruising speeds, providing an engaging yet comfortable driving experience. The system's performance claims are backed by rigorous dyno testing, with detailed reports included to validate the horsepower and torque gains. The kit includes K&N Signature Reusable Air Filter, which combines 4 layers of pleated, breathable cotton with red filter oil to effectively absorb dirt and dust particles. This filter only requires cleaning every 100,000 miles under normal highway driving conditions, offering long-term convenience and cost savings. The durable rotomolded intake tube and custom heat shield further enhance airflow while protecting the intake air from high engine bay temperatures. Installation is straightforward, typically taking less than 60 minutes with basic hand tools, thanks to the detailed, step-by-step instructions provided. The K&N Cold Air Intake Kit is proudly made in the USA and comes with a no-hassle lifetime limited warranty, ensuring reliable performance and peace of mind for the life of your vehicle.